everyone, welcome back to Fiber Theory. Today I am going to teach you guys how to make the front post double crochet. The difference between a regular double crochet and a front post double crochet is that with the front post double crochet you have to work around the actual post, not inside the space on top of the post. So get some yarn, go ahead and get your hook, and let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, I already have the foundation chain made and an entire row of double crochets. Now I'm going to go ahead and chain 2, and I'm going to turn my work over. Now instead of doing an actual double crochet here into the space of the double crochet below, we're going to go ahead and work around the post. So since we're doing a front post double crochet, we have to make sure that this post sits in front or on top of our hook. Now, there's a space here between these two double crochets. I want you to take your hook and put it through the space, go behind that post, and pop your hook out through the other space between this double crochet and the one that's on the hook. Okay, now once you have that, you're going to go up and yarn over, grab your yarn, pull it through behind the post, and then go ahead and make your double crochet as you would normally do. So now you have this textured stitch. This is now sitting above the rest of your work. Let's try it again. Yarn over, go between the post that you just made and the next post, and then go behind that post with your hook, popping it out on the other side of the post, making sure that that post is sitting on top of your hook. Go back here, grab your yarn, and pull it through, and then go ahead and just make your double crochet as you normally would. Let's go ahead and do that a couple of more times. Grab your yarn so you can make your double crochet. Take your hook between the posts and out the other side of the post, grab your yarn, pull it through, and make your double crochet as you normally would. And then just keep doing that. Make sure the post is sitting on your hook, grab the yarn, and make a double crochet. And just keep doing this until you get to the end of your row. When you get to the end here, it doesn't look like the others because there's not another post on the other side of it over here. So just go ahead, grab your yarn, go through between the posts, and just go ahead and make your double crochet, just like that. And it will give it some lift on this side as well. And that is how you make a front post double crochet. I hope that you guys learned a lot from this video today. If you have any questions at all regarding this stitch, please make sure to leave me a question below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for being here today. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to teach you how to make a back post double crochet. Stay tuned.